Alright, let's be real. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting, but it can also be frustrating when your videos get little to no views, your subscriber count barely moves, and you feel like YouTube's algorithm is working against you. Well, here's the truth. Most new YouTubers make these 10 big mistakes that keep their channels stuck. And trust me, I've made almost all of them when I started. So today, I'm not just listing these mistakes, I'm sharing real-life examples, personal experiences, and insider tips to help you avoid these pitfalls and grow faster. So, make sure you watch until the end, because mistake number 10 could actually get your entire channel banned. You do not want to mess this one up. Mistake number 1. Overthinking and never starting. Alright, let's start with the biggest mistake I see all the time, overthinking instead of just starting. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel for months, maybe even years. You tell yourself, I need a better camera. I need to learn how to edit. I need the perfect background. And guess what? You never actually start. I was the same way. I spent weeks researching cameras, watching tutorials, and planning the perfect first video. And then one day, I realized something: the best way to get better is to just start. Your first video will definitely be bad, and that's okay. Even the biggest YouTubers had awkward first videos. But they improved because they actually started. So if you're waiting for the perfect moment, stop waiting. Just hit record and start your journey today. Mistake number 2. Ignoring SEO and video titles. Now, let's talk about something that separates the channels that grow and the ones that stay stuck: SEO and video titles. I see new YouTubers posting videos with titles like "My first vlog" or "Trying out my new camera." Be honest, would you click on that? YouTube is a search engine, just like Google. If people don't know who you are, they're not searching for my day at the park. But they are searching for things like "best budget cameras for YouTube in 2024" or "how to vlog like a pro, 5 beginner tips." Here's a game-changing trick. Before you finalize your title, type your topic into YouTube's search bar and see what autocomplete suggests. Those are the exact phrases people are searching for. Use them in your title and description to get more views. Mistake number 3. Poor video and audio quality. Here's something that might surprise you: people will forgive average video quality, but they will not tolerate bad audio. I learned this the hard way. When I started, I was filming on my phone in a dimly lit room, and my audio, horrible. People clicked off in seconds. Then, I made a small change. I filmed near a window for better lighting, got a cheap L microphone, and suddenly, my watch time improved. You don't need an expensive setup. If you're on a budget, use natural light, get an affordable microphone, and film in a quiet room or environment. No matter how low quality the microphone is, it is still better than your voice. These small tweaks make a huge difference. Mistake number 4. Inconsistent upload schedule. Tell me if this sounds like you. For 1 week, you post 3 videos, then disappear for a month. Then, you post randomly whenever you feel like it. If that's you, you're hurting your channel. YouTube rewards consistency. Think of your channel like a TV show. If your favorite show aired episodes randomly, would you keep watching? Probably not. You don't have to post every day, but pick a schedule and stick to it. Whether that's once a week or twice a month, commit to it. It builds trust with your audience and with YouTube's algorithm. Mistake number 5. Not engaging with viewers. Want to know an easy way to grow your channel? Engage with your audience. If someone leaves a comment on your video and you ignore them, why should they come back? I started responding to every single comment, and something amazing happened. Those same people started watching all my videos. They felt valued, and that turned them into loyal subscribers. Engagement also helps your video get pushed by the algorithm. More comments equals more visibility. So ask questions in your video, encourage likes, and talk to your viewers. Mistake number 6. Comparing yourself to big YouTubers. Let's be honest, we've all done this. You post a video, it gets 5 views, and then you see someone like Mr. Beast getting 5 million views in an hour. It's frustrating, right? Here's the thing, every big YouTuber started at 0. They weren't born famous. They spent years improving their content, experimenting, and learning from their failures. When I first started, I would watch creators in my niche and feel completely discouraged. I thought, how can I compete with them? But then I realized, I wasn't supposed to compete with them, I was supposed to learn from them. Instead of comparing yourself to someone with millions of subscribers, compare yourself to your last video. Are you improving? Are your thumbnails better? Is your editing smoother? That is what matters. So instead of feeling bad when you see successful creators, study them. What are they doing right? What kind of thumbnails work for them? What's their video pacing like? Use their success as a roadmap, not a reason to quit. Mistake number 7. Using clickbait titles without providing value. We need to talk about clickbait. Some people say, clickbait is bad. But let's get one thing straight, clickbait is not the problem. The problem is when you trick people into clicking and then disappoint them. Clickbait, when done right, grabs attention and makes people curious. But if your video doesn't deliver on what the title promises, people will click off fast, and that will kill your watch time. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine once made a video titled How to Get 1,000 Subscribers Fast, but he didn't actually provide fast methods. People clicked on the video, got disappointed, and left after a minute. His retention dropped, and YouTube stopped recommending his videos. Now, you don't want that to be your case, so take note of this golden rule. Make your titles exciting, but always deliver on your promise. If your title is How to Make $500 in a Week with YouTube, then you better show a real method that works. Mistake number 8. Expecting instant success. I see so many new YouTubers upload a few videos, get 20 views, and then say, YouTube doesn't work. I quit. Let me ask you this, would you expect to go to the gym for a week and suddenly have a six-pack? No, right? YouTube works the same way. It takes time, effort, and consistency before you see big results. I know this from experience. My first 10 videos barely got any views. I almost gave up. But then, I made any video that took off, and that's what started my growth. Most channels take 6 months to a year to gain real attraction. Instead of focusing on going viral, focus on improving your skills. Each video should be slightly better than the last. Learn better editing, storytelling, and thumbnail design. That's how you grow. The YouTubers who succeed are the ones who stick with it. So, don't quit after a few weeks, your breakthrough video could be right around the corner. Mistake number 9. Not making shareable content. This is a huge mistake that many small YouTubers don't even realize they're making. Ask yourself, would someone share this video with a friend? Here's why this matters, YouTube loves videos that get shared. When someone sends your video to a friend, YouTube's algorithm thinks, wow, this must be good. And it starts pushing it to even more people. I learned this when one of my videos suddenly started getting tons of views, and I couldn't figure out why. Then I checked my analytics and saw that people were sharing it in Facebook groups and WhatsApp chats. That one video brought me over 3,000 new subscribers. So, how do you make shareable content? Here are a few easy tips. 1. Make it relatable. People share videos that make them say, OMG, this is so me. 2. Make it useful. If your video helps someone solve a problem, they'll share it with others who need help. 3. Make it emotional, funny, inspiring, shocking. Emotion drives shares. 4. Tell people to share. At the end of your video, say something like, if this video helped you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. So, if you want more views, start thinking, would I send this to a friend? If the answer is no, tweak your content until it's so good, people can't help but share it. Finally, the most deadly. Mistake number 10. Ignoring YouTube's guideline. This mistake can cost you everything. I know someone who built her channel to 50,000 subscribers, then lost it all because she broke YouTube's rules. Things like using copyrighted music, misleading thumbnails, buying fake views, or re-uploading other people's content can get you demonetized or even permanently banned. Don't take shortcuts. Learn YouTube's community guidelines and play by the rules. Nothing is worth losing your hard work. Alright, those were the 10 biggest mistakes new YouTubers make. If you've made some of these mistakes, don't worry, we all have. The important thing is that now you know how to fix them. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below, what's your biggest struggle as a YouTuber? I respond to every comment. And if you want more YouTube growth hacks, check out my channel. I post videos almost every day. Bye for now, I'll see you in the next video.